How to change language in HBO Max. In this tutorial, I'll show you guys a quick and easy way to change your language in HBO Max. So let's just get right into it. First thing you're going to have to do is open up your HBO Max application on your device and just make sure that you are logged in to your account. Now, once you are on the home page or any other page, you're going to have to find your profile icon at the top right corner. Just tap on it. And once you head over to your profile, all you need to do here is find the settings icon, which is at the top right. And once you land on the settings page, you're going to have to find a settings that's similar to display language, which is right below devices and above notifications. Tap on display language, and then from here, by default, it will be US. But if you want to change it to any other available languages, you can do that by tapping on them and then just tap on OK. Now, once you've chosen your language, just tap on OK, and your display language now will be changed. And your contents on your home screen will now also be different from your usual language. So that's how you basically change language on HBO Max. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.